Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file multi-member LLC taxes. First, understand that the IRS generally treats a multi-member LLC as a partnership. This means the LLC itself does not pay income tax. Instead, profits and losses pass through to the individual members. Each member will receive a Schedule K-1 detailing their share of the LLC's income, deductions, and credits. The LLC must file Form 1065, the U.S. Return of Partnership Income, to report its financial activity. Filing deadlines are crucial for multi-member LLCs. Form 1065, the partnership return, is typically due by March 15 for LLCs operating on a calendar year. Following this, members use the information from their Schedule K-1 to complete their individual income tax returns, Form 1040, by April 15. If more time is needed, the LLC can file Form 7004 to request an automatic 6-month extension for Form 1065. As an LLC member, you are considered self-employed for tax purposes. This means you are responsible for paying self-employment tax, which covers your contributions to Social Security and Medicare. The current self-employment tax rate is 15.3% on net earnings up to a certain threshold, then 2.9% on earnings above that. To avoid penalties, members usually make estimated tax payments quarterly throughout the year. While a multi-member LLC is usually taxed as a partnership, it can elect to be taxed as an S corporation or C corporation. Electing S corporation status can potentially reduce self-employment tax for members by allowing them to take a reasonable salary and then distributions. This can offer significant tax savings. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Consult a tax professional to determine the best election for your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.